Welcome back to Crypto Lodge, where I bring the mother effing ruckus. Ethereum is looking strong. Let's take a look. Can you smell that? Altseason. Welcome back to Crypto Lodge, where you guys subscribe because I bring the mother effing ruckus, the low cap gems, educational content, no shilling. Let's get straight into it. I do want to look at Shiba, Fantom Shiba coming back up. It's a wonderful thing. It did bottom out. A double top right there and then bottomed out. Down 64%. But still up a whole lot. And we came back up 47% in the last 4 hours. So that's pretty cool. And everything's looking positive on the Fantom side. I'm not sure if Fantom itself is pumping, because the altcoins don't really seem to care if Fantom is pumping or not. This is a slow site. It reads from the blockchain though. Maybe I should close some things. I'm gonna have to bring my chat up on the phone because, as you can see, I'm going old school today. Got the OG background instead of just my cutout, so I'm gonna hop on the chat on my phone like I used to do. I'm getting so many scam comments. You guys are seeing this? It's ridiculous. Let's look at T-Share. Let me hop in the chat. You'd think my own stream would be on my homepage. There we go. What up, Jam? Jim Nafu says Crypto Lodge is the place to be. Definitely if you're doing a lot of time driving. If you're doing a lot, like if you're working or something, if I'm streaming for a couple hours and you're just trying to learn more about crypto, I can definitely see how you like hanging out here and just listening, even if I'm slow, boring, you know. What was I just gonna do? Oh, plug the phone in because it's gonna die. Here's a little piece of advice. Don't ever plug your phone into your computer. If your phone is hacked and you have all your crypto on a wallet on your computer, a virus can, as soon as you plug the USB port in to the computer, there's viruses that sit on phones that transfer right over to the computer, and vice versa. Viruses that live on the computer, it detects a phone was plugged in and automatically installs itself on the phone too. AMP is definitely moving, and finally is right. It did sit doing nothing for the longest time. Let's look at the chart. All right. Ethereum's looking great. And you know how we said in the last live stream, we were up here, and I said this is great and all, and it looked like we were far away from here. We were all the way up here, the candle was green, and then, you know, I said, what did I say? I said I want to see a bounce off the previous all-time high. I want to see it turned into line of support. So we've made one touch so far. So it technically is support. The more touches, the more weight a support has, or resistance. But that one touch is all I needed to satisfy my idea that it had to come back down and touch. It might have to come back down and actually close a whole day. Or not. Or just keep pumping. Right now we are, it doesn't look like it, but we are just 4% above all-time high. Well, there is a new all-time high. Let me reset the chart here. And see, I drew this. This should be touching the wick. So that wasn't an exact touch, but that's okay. And I want to make another line because I want to mark the newest all-time high. That is now the next new line of resistance. 4,670. I said 46,000. Ethereum will be eventually one day $100,000. Anyone else here? Oscar, what's up, man? Oscar said your channel is helping learn more about crypto. Thanks, man. Yeah, I'm trying to, with my videos that I post, I'm gonna start trying to lean more towards education, teaching how to use these DeFi protocols, whatnot, the tips and tricks I've learned along the way to actually use the tools that we have available to us. Because there's not a lot of that out there. If you search crypto on YouTube, you'll get a lot of people that don't know what they're talking about, just telling you that everything's going to the moon. And Ethereum's been on an uptrend for, let's get a let's do a little game I like to play. So it's been on an uptrend since here, and I'm gonna go on the daily so I can read it. So we've been on an uptrend for 36 days. Back here we were on an uptrend for, oh, it stopped. Well, 36 days and counting right now. We don't know if it's over yet. But this uptrend, I'd say it started going sideways here. After 18 days. It started going sideways. Still up. That's still up. You might want to count this whole move. Alright, let's count this whole move as one. Let's travel back to the next uptrend. I'm trying to show uptrends, then reaccumulation periods, which this was one before. A leg up. Okay, let's just roll with it. This started here. Ended here. It was 20 days. This started here. Ended here. That was 22 days. I think I might need to change my judgment here of what exactly a move up is. So let's get off the 4 hour again. Let's go on the week. Alright, I could probably do it better now. So Ethereum's been on the uptrend for 42 days. So now it's been on, and then it was on the uptrend the last time, just for 42 days. Go figure. It pumped for 42 days, came down for 3 weeks, and now it's pumped for 42 days again. That's odd. That's very odd. Let me draw it again just to make sure I'm right about that, because well, I guess I started, did I start here and go to here? Oh no. Yeah, it is 42, because what I did was I started right at the green arrow. No, right at this red, right at the bottom tip. I started and I ended at the top. The green, which is 42 days. Again, 6 bars. This one's 6 bars. And this 6 bars had just one red bar at the beginning. This had one red bar at the beginning, but the third week was red. This one, the third week, was a saucer like that one too. Now we're gonna get into the longer ones here. And the times in between these are accumulation. So this actually lasted 42 days until it went sideways a little bit. Yo, I'm starting to get a little freaked out. And then it decided to pump again. for 21 days. But actually, the bottom was right here. The top was right here. 42 fucking days. Are you kidding me? You guys seeing this shit? Ethereum likes to move up weekly for 6 weeks. Let's measure this move from the bottom. This one is longer. No, until it went sideways. That's 42. It's about 42 as well. But if you count this one, check this out. Way more than 42. Well, I would stop it right here and say that it took a week of reaccumulation. It went sideways for a week and even down. So that one was a 70-day run. But this was when we were having a beautiful run. So then this one starts right where that one ended, and I would put that there. Alright, what am I doing here except driving everyone crazy and myself? There is an interesting 42-day pattern though, that is evident, but it's not always there. Let me just say, until we really took a move down. Wow, we did it twice. Once right here, once right here, and again right here. Talking about reaccumulation phases. Let's get back in on the 4 out 1 day. The volume is pretty low compared to back in a couple days ago. I mean, a couple weeks ago. But sometimes low volume pumps. If you haven't, hit that thumbs up. It helps the YouTube algorithm get people in. Alright, what did we want to look at AMP. We want to look at AMP, and we want to look at Oscar said, that's why I look at your channel. It's more cold cut, informative than, hey, buy this coin, 10x return soon. Yeah. I've been posting some really low cap gems saying, 100x in the titles and stuff, but you gotta clickbait a little bit, at least until my numbers get up there. But once you click on the video, I always say this can go any way. This can go either way. I'm gonna check out Sol, because Jim just said in the Telegram, t.me/the Crypto Lodge, that Sol looks like it's gonna break out. S&P did terrible today, but it went up 14% yesterday, and that's a lot for the S&P. Orion's looking. Oh, it's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's looking good. All right. Let's see what Jasmy's doing. All right. Yep. I was right when I posted a video, right? On this day. I posted a video on this day, didn't I? November 3rd. Saying take some damn profit. Jasmy. Crypto Lodge, Jasmy update, take profit. 1 day ago. Yesterday. Where'd Jasmy? It must have been, because we're on the hour chart. It must have been near the top. I knew it. But I do think it's going to turn around. I do think it's going to turn back around. Good indicator from its buy signal to its sell signal. Oh, all the way down there. I sold higher than that. 183% in 5 days and 1 hour. Could have gotten 236 in 5 days. But you didn't have to buy all the way back then. I think a lot of people just picked up Jasmy when it started pumping around here and ended up not selling at the top, hoping it was going to go back up, and then probably selling around 100% gain right here. It's probably what most people did. And that's why once it got to that point, it had that big wick down, because that was the the 100% gain mark for people. So once they wanted to keep at least, it's a mental thing. I want to keep at least 100% profits, so you sell. But I have indicators, so I knew it was the top. Knew it was. Gabriel said, "What about Fantom?" Yes, let's talk about Fantom. What about Fantom? Let's see what it's doing. You know what I love about Fantom? Besides everything, even when the price is trending down of Fantom altcoins still go up. They're still going up. So the underlying asset has been going down for the last 6.5 days. But it's about to pop up soon, and we all know it. It's going to pull one of these. And let me get rid of the noise. Hey, we got a buy signal. Good little indicator. Let's get rid of the noise and copy the bars pattern of this. Because this is what Ethereum likes to do. Look at the date. This was October. Boom. Takes us straight to $5. I mean, the next move up could be bigger than that, shorter than that, taller than that, longer than that. But I'm a big fan of fractals. So taking moves and making them a fractal, that's not a fractal. A fractal is taking a move that looks like a similar move and saying, hey, it's probably going to do the same thing. what I see with what I've always seen with Fantom is a stepping stool on the daily. It gives you chances to buy in. Bump up, sideways and down to buy in. Bump up, sideways, down, buy in. Bump up, sideways or down, buy in. Bump up, sideways, buy in. Bump up, sideways, buy in. Pump up, downward, sideways, buy in. Pump up, sideways, buy. Sideways, buy. Pump, sideways, buy. Pump, sideways, down. Buy. Whenever you think you should sell, you should buy. And whenever you think you should buy, you should sell. However, the market is just a vehicle to, what did Warren Buffett say? The market's just a way to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. So the markets just transfer money to those who are patient from the people who are not patient. So I will gladly buy your Fantom bags as you sell them, please. Not you, not these subscribers. And the projection on Fantom is insane. It's been on this kick for 107 days now. Pretty much straight up for 107 days now. Let's get a different exchange. More history to it. So longer than 107 days. It's been doing this. Can you believe this shit was 0.0017 cents? And I do believe it will be hundreds of dollars one day. So it's been going up, then down so you can buy more, then straight up, and then down so you can buy more, then straight up. But this move isn't big enough because from here to here was 1,976. From here to here was 5,753. From here to here, it's been 2,034. So 1,976 was a good pump, but this one was the best. Almost 6,000 in like 2 months, 78 days. And this pump was great too. We're still up 1,568% in the past 104 days. So the areas in between here, those are where that's buy zones. I don't think we're only gonna put in 1,500 here because it's getting exponentially bigger. The first one was 2,000. Next one was 6,000, 5,000. Let's just say 5,000 because we're rounding up on this one, so round down on that one. So 3,000 more. So 8,000. So we should get an 8,000% pump on this, which would bring us to the magical number of about $13. I always said my target was 12 for this cycle. Is that not funny or what? We're going to 12 bucks. And I don't even know if I believe in cycles anymore. I just think after we hit 12 bucks, we're going to do one of these. And it probably won't even be as long. And that wasn't even that long. That was maybe 100 days of reaccumulation. Worth it. Worth it. So, the second pump of Fantom was 3,000% more than the first one. So if this next one is 3,000% more than the last one, we're going to 8,000, which puts us at what I always said was the target of 12 bucks. Almost 13. Fantom is going to be I think it's going to go to like number 7, in my opinion. No financial advice. In my opinion, I think Fantom is going to go to about number 7 in market cap. And where is it at now? Better be in the top 30. I don't even think it is. 33. Lucky number. Used to be ranked 333. But it is making its moves. If you subscribe to Fantom's announcements, Fantom announcements, let me post this in the chat. If you're a Telegram user, pin this to your top. Pin it to the top because every single day Fantom's doing something new, something awesome. Jim the Foo said, I hope Fantom hits 12 bucks. Yeah, me too. Me too. It's like, it feels like you're on Ethereum, but everything's just so much faster. I just love how it feels. Fantom just feels so good to use. And it helps that we're making these 1,000 bangers. Gabriel. So, Dre, hope I said that right. Said, thank you. Which alts do you like the most for the end of the bull run? I'm not sure there is an end of bull run. But, I have 3 different categories of coins. Category A is the coins that I'm going to hold forever. These are just ones that I buy on all the reaccumulation phases. And I don't even ever take profits on peaks. I just hold those on just cold wallet. Several different ones. I have some from I have 3 kids. I have a wallet for each one. Putting Ethereum and Fantom and Bitcoin. Monero. Ethereum is number 1 on my list of holds for the future, long term. Ethereum is number 1. Bitcoin is number 2. For long term, I'm talking 10, 20, 30 years. Ethereum's number 1 on my list in holdings. Bitcoin's number 2 on my list in holdings. BNB Number three, but BNB could be cut out if something happens where BNB gets disrupted by something and no longer works. But Ethereum, the top three, BNB, ETH, and Bitcoin, but in the order of ETH, Bitcoin, BNB, and then Luna. Luna's not going anywhere. Solana's doing big things. I know Solana's doing big things. AR. Now we're getting into more mid-term, like the next couple year returns. Solana and AR and Luna and Fantom for sure. Fantom, I'm putting in my long hold portfolio just in case. It could. I don't like the term Ethereum killer, but Fantom is superior. Fantom is just fucking superior. It makes crypto better. It makes crypto work better. It makes prices across the board more stable. Makes all good things happen. Let's look at ETH here. Beautiful. Nice hammer. Nice hammer. Jam Nafu said, why does Solana go up when Bitcoin goes down now? It's down when Bitcoin goes up. I think you're just seeing something that's happening more than once that you've noticed. It's all random, man. It's all random. If I pulled up the chart of Solana and Bitcoin, I guarantee they'll look more or less the same. They'll look more similar than different. But maybe lately they have deviated. Like Shiba has deviated a little. They all deviate a little. The Fantom like the small cap gems that we get into, like these little tiny ones, they don't seem to dump when Bitcoin or Ethereum dumps. They don't. They seem to be just independent, and I like that. I could see Ethereum happen to come actually down, and close a candle down here and bounce up, or it's just gonna keep going. If it passes this line here, it's probably going to go up to about 48,000, like right away. That's when prices go up the fastest, is when they right when they pass previous high, they jet up. Jam the Foo said, let's look at ARC. I want to look at Sol quick first, actually, because we were talking about Sol. Yeah, Fantom. I love Fantom so much. It's for shits and giggles. Just say Fantom just repeats itself and does what it did again. We'd be looking at a $895 Fantom, 35,000% gains in little over a year. If Fantom does what it just did again, that's what'll happen. And it'll eventually get to 3,000 per 100. I'm serious. This can happen. People think, oh, well, it would have to be twice the market cap of Bitcoin to do that. Well, guess what? The total market cap of crypto is gonna 10x. It's gonna 20x. It's gonna 30x. It's gonna 50x. It's gonna keep on doubling at an exponential rate to where $2 trillion could be considered mid cap in the future. You're gonna have to be up in the upper trillions to be a larger cap. Imagine a crypto one day hitting a zillion. Impossible. It can't happen. Nothing's a zillion. Holy shit, Solana. You don't even give people a chance to fucking breathe. Same with AR. AR, if you guys don't know, stores all the data for Solana. So it's like Filecoin. It's like IPFS. Solana specifically uses AR for data storage on the blockchain. And I personally know that there is a lot of big companies launching blockchain games on Solana in 2022. Now, when this happens, millions of people are going to be putting user data in, passwords, profile pictures, NFTs, stats for their player, skins, items, all of the maps, all this data, pets, all this data has to be stored somewhere. So I'm very bullish on AR. And all the IPFS coins like Filecoin and SiaCoin, even BTT. I think BTT is the only file storage coin that didn't get its pump yet, because if you look at Filecoin, did it get its pump? No. It didn't get its pump yet either. It was, what about storage and SIA, STORJ? These all use the same protocol. It's called IPFS, Interplanetary File System. So this has been pumping in the past couple days. That went all the way up to 171% and closed at 81%. When you see those blow off tops, that means somebody with a lot of money bought a whole lot, and people took profit. That many people took profit that it went to that price. That's all. And it actually lines up with that last wick there. So some people want to get out before it passes the previous all-time high, if it's dropping, because that usually means more downside. SIA coin, not really. Well, short did. Can't really tell, can you? That's up 186% and 100. No, it hasn't pumped. We should probably be on the 4 hours because looking for daily. Yeah, that had its recent pump. All these IPFS coins had the recent pump. It went all the way up. Something's happening with Web3. Basic Attention Token, Jasmy. These deal with user data. AR, storage, SiaCoin, Filecoin have to do with file storage. I think it's this. A lot of Web3 tokens have been pumping. So there's gonna, so like they're building out this whole metaverse where they're gonna be monetizing you as much as they can possibly monetize you, so that you get paid just for playing games, watching videos, using the internet. Instead of paying for the internet, you'll get paid to use it. If you opt in to sharing all of your data. So that's the trade-off. Where you want free internet, share all your data. Or run a node and help run the internet and only share your data with who you want to. So all of those kind of coins have been pumping. So you can see they all have these little blow up tops where you could tell someone just bought a whole chunk. Let me check ARK. Damn. 43% in 6 hours. ARK coin market cap. Market cap of just over $250 million. Total supply is 161 million. Circulating supply is 132 million. This is very good. That's very good for ARK. Also, it appears to be a layer 1. It's its own blockchain, Polygon ecosystem, enterprise solutions, storage, interoperability, staking, scaling, state channels, payments, marketplace, deep proof of stake, DPoS. You know, I want to look at the GitHub and see if it's been updated recently. 3 hours ago, 11 hours ago, 13 hours ago, 22 hours ago. The core has been updated all year. Look at this. See how it says when you hover over that Spark chart, it says past year of activity. They have been hyping up activity all year round. Oh, these are all public vetted people, actual people. Mostly TypeScript, PHP, Shell, C++, Python. Let's run KuCoin. No. It's on Binance, okay. KuCoin's gonna add it. It's on few exchanges, which I like. You can't get it on a DEX. Correct me if I'm wrong, but none of these are DEXs. And the reason is because ARK is its own blockchain. So it would have to be wrapped ARK. I wonder if there's wrapped ARK. It should show. Let's look at ARK on CoinGecko. Maybe it'll give us a BNB address or something where they got it wrapped. I like this ARK. been around since April 2017. So it saw the ICO boom, hit a max price of over $10, and now it's $1.99, $2. Never got back near its all-time high at all. It's up 10% today. It's been around for so long, but it's not on any notable exchange except Binance, but only in a BTC pair, not USD. Strikes me as odd. However, I like it. Let's look at the website in the white paper. The GitHub is updated all the time, and the team is public. Let me see. Let's go to the website. Will probably give us a quicker rundown. The simplest way to blockchain, whether you're a blockchain enthusiast, a solo developer, or a 100+ strong enterprise, Arc has the blockchain solutions you've been searching for. Do you now? Because I'm a blockchain developer. Arc Core node. Installing and running Arc Core adds a relay node to the network, increasing redundancy. Relay nodes can become delegated nodes for delegated proof of stake and forge Arc coins through Arc's specialized delegated proof of stake system. So you delegate tokens and earn tokens. Like that's Solana is delegated proof of stake. Desktop wallet is natively built for all major operating systems. So it's tough for coins like this because everyone's using Ethereum, everyone's using Binance, everyone's starting to use Fantom, and they're all Ethereum like. I bet Arc doesn't even have a MetaMask. It doesn't have MetaMask compatibility. Arc MetaMask. That's not going to come up, but you can't. So I don't know. It's been around for so long that this price actually it's up 620% in a year. That's like 1% a day on the month, 2% a day on the year. It's been going up. I'll give it that. But if you go all the way back, we're nowhere. Like this looks like. I mean, and all the tokens are unlocked, but they're still updating it every day. So I don't know, man. This could be one of the best movers. A market cap of 323 million. This could be a couple $100 billion market cap. Yeah. let's look at the real chart here. Anybody in chat? Hey, what's up, Brickdorsky? So yeah, ARK's been around for a long time. It's on an uptrend now. Hey, they have been developing for years, working on this. Solana did it with their own not MetaMask compatible blockchain. They successfully did it. Let's check the weekly. Damn, it was running up. Then it dropped. That was probably, that's it's the after ICO boom, January 28th, when Bitcoin hit 20K for the first time. And it dropped March of 2020. Like all things dropped. It dropped all the way to 6 cents. And if you bought it near the bottom, you're up about 3,000% in the past 2 years since the since the thing happened. Jam Nafu said I might hold a couple ARK just in case. It's on a uptrend for 600 days, pretty much. It's been on uptrend for 609 days, 3,000% gain. Still a low cap. Nowhere near its all-time high of $32. It's $1 right now. Check this out. Just to get to a new all-time high, you're putting in an unbelievable almost 1,600% gains. If this thing gets listed on, all of a sudden gets listed on Coinbase. You know, Coinbase is listing coins like every day now. You notice it? You notice that? But there are always these new ones that are brand new, baby coins. But yeah, they don't list the OGs like Gollum and Hex, like Monero. And I get why they don't list Monero. It's a privacy coin. What do you guys want to look at? You want to look at ETH? Bitcoin's on a buy on the day right now too. Even though there's 2 red days, it says buy. It's been saying buy on the 4-hour. Nice sideways movement is what's good for altcoins and Ethereum. Not down too fast. You know, this is only like a couple percent. You know, but bottoms out 12%. It goes up and down. Well, it hasn't been going up and down. Like, it's been going up and down 8% for the past 10 days, 10.5 days. So Bitcoin's been going sideways and letting Ethereum do its thing. Ethereum's about to bring the effing ruckus. Ethereum is gonna bring the mother effing ruckus once 2.0. People don't realize how soon it is. They just don't get it. and that's okay. Let's look at our indicators. We've been on a buy for a couple weeks, and we got the green arrow. Last time we got the green arrow, we went up look for the red arrow right here. That's 69%, but we did go up almost 100% in 41 days when we got that green arrow. Now we got this green arrow. Let's look at 100% in 40 days. 41 days. That's given us our 7K ETH that we've been talking about. So if this green arrow puts in the same amount of gains, we're looking good. We're about to blast off. And what is this? The end of November. I think we're gonna go sideways. I think we're not going up straight yet. We might though. But Ethereum tends to have its best move in Q1, in January, February, March. It starts in January. Every single Q1 in the history of Ethereum, it has pumped. The earliest it has ever started was mid-December. It could happen earlier this year. Maybe the stars are aligning this year. But 2.0 is coming, and everything's going to get better then. Uniswap's going to be a breeze. It's going to be like using Spooky Swap or Pancake Swap. Nice and easy. Sushi. I'm so bullish on sushi. Jim Nafu said sushi. Brick Dorsey said thoughts on DeFi yield on KuCoin. Never looked into it. Let me look into it. Is that the whole ticker too? Well, that sure didn't do well since it got listed, did it? What was that? It was that got a 50% pump on the day of listing. Must have been that was March. That was when Bitcoin was dropping. So it got listed when the bear market started. If it's a good protocol, might be a great time to buy because of that. Let's see. Got the green arrow. Last time we had the green arrow, it went up 183%. So far, since this green arrow, we're up 76%. 183. Would put us at $1.24 in 14 days. Like that one. I mean, history rhymes, but history doesn't repeat, it rhymes, I like to say. So it's not going to do exactly the same thing, but I think there's more upside here. As long as there's no pullback from Bitcoin or some fuckery, you know. I think that's That was a buyback here. The red dot indicates that the top might be the top might have been in right up here for now. Let's look at what it is. I never looked into this. That's a long ticker. Oh, DYP is ticker. Okay, cool. Was I looking at the wrong coin? No, I had it. So it's not a long ticker. Most of the coins are in circulation. That's a good thing. It is compatible with Ethereum, BSC, and Avalanche. It's good. Interoperability is good. CertiK audited. Collectibles and NFTs, smart contracts, staking, dApps, Ethereum, yield farming, yield aggregator, governance launchpad, analytics. Let's see how often it's being updated. 3 days ago, 4 days ago, 9 days ago, 14, 15. Not a lot of, I mean, it's being updated, but maybe it just doesn't need much updating. Maybe, you know, a lot of great smart contracts just run themselves. They don't really need updating. Let's check this out. Almost 9,000 ETH, 7.6 thousand BNB, and 14.2 thousand Avalanche, worth $46 million paid to liquidity providers so far. Maximize your yield farming rewards. DeFi yield protocol works to curb the influence of large whale users. Well, that's good. The protocol employs an anti-manipulation feature that aims to limit the market impact of users converting rewards into ETH and other native platform tokens. Anti-manipulation aims to maintain stability, fair access to liquidity, and provide a secure and simplified DeFi platform for users of all sizes. Let's ETH farming, BSC farming, AVAX farming, buyback. What is this? You can loan them. Wait a minute. You get 100% APR for 60 days if you deposit any of these. Is that BUSD? So that's a stable coin? I gotta go on the other. Other browser here. I like it. It looks pretty cool so far. Thanks for pointing this out, Brick Dorsey. So, can you stake a stablecoin? BUSD. So you can earn 100% APR on BUSD. That's quite amazing. I don't want to withdraw, I want to deposit. Where's a... How do I deposit? Oh, staking buyback. $6,000% APR. DYPBNB. It changed to 4,000 APY. That's amazing. There's amazing APYs happening here. Deposit not available because the contract expires faster than the pool lock time. New contracts with improved strategies are coming soon, waiting for security audit results. So they're being super safe. I really like DYP. Yeah, this is a killer. I'm writing this down. I'm doing a video on DYP. Well, I'm gonna do a lot of research on it. I'll find a pen. DYP. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Let's check on our check on some poo coins. Let's look at Eternal. Eternal was pumping a new all-time high this morning. Ooh. Almost hit a almost got to $100. Not bad. That's great. It pulls back all the time. This thing's been running. This thing's been getting sent. Look at this. There goes my first buy way back there. Took profits along the way, bought some more along the way. It's up 1,440% in 34 days. And I think it's going to keep going. Ain't no such thing as halfway crooks. You got to bring the ruckus. And any swap's looking good, I think. Let's see what Gamer looks like. All right. That's a rising, volatile but rising channel. See what Baby Dog's looking like. Dumping, I think. Dump. Yep. Continuing to dump. But I can see it keep going. Plus you earn Harmony 1 just by holding this. So that's cool. What's on here that doesn't show up? TTK. Just TTK. Anyone want me to look at a BSC coin here? Before I go over to Fantoms. Yo, TTK is looking good. TTK's up. That game looks amazing. I can't even lie. I made a video You can check my videos. It's being built by all ex-Sony developers. It's up 65% in 13 days, so it's been going up on me. I didn't realize that. I guess I did. I was buying more. Bye. I bought all the way up here first. And then sold down here. Like a noob, and then bought again. Like a noob. And then it came up. So I sold thinking I just made a little bit of my money back. And then I watched it ride up. I never sell everything. So I had some as it rode up. Bought more there. Bought more there. Should have bought more down there, but it was clear to me that it was heading back up at that point. And it's clear to me it's heading back up at this point. This shit's gonna be like 20, 30 bucks. And then more. It's gonna keep going. Any poo coins you guys got on your mind? I'll move on to Fantom. I like my Fantom altcoins better. Let's check on our Ethereum too. DYP looks like it's gonna put in a like a bottom soon and keep going up. Let's see, this one came down to its previous high. This one came down to its previous high. This one's just touched its previous high and bounced back up. So it could be bouncing back up from here. Let's see what Megabot says. Sell. Yeah, they all do. On the day, I'm sure it says buy. Yep, still a buy on the day. Fresh red candles always look the worst. Then they look like nothing at the end. Let's read the chat here. Brick Dorsey says, haha, I love your reviews. Thanks for looking into it. Gonna grab some tonight. Violet Gypsy said, not yet listed, but Banger Games is coming out with a coin called BOMB, BNB, in January. Any thoughts? Let me look it up. Banger Games, BNB. Sure you don't mind if I smoke a real cigarette. Play games, earn bomb coins. Introducing the Internet of Gaming. Aha, nice buzzword. I never heard IOG, Internet of Gaming. A decentralized infrastructure powering the metaverse via bomb coins. The first global gaming currency. That's what Atari said. Experienced Banger Games. Win tournaments, mine bomb coins, and complete objectives. Play in smart tournaments. Grow your community or join existing communities. Unlock bonus earnings for participation and getting rewards whether you win or lose. Scale the leaderboards to take home real life changing earnings and turn banger games into your gaming office. Anti-cheat. Global game anti-cheat client. Created to improve a fair and competitive experience. Complete in-game objectives. Get rewarded for your grind. Improve your skills in the game by completing custom objectives, unlocking amazing prizes. Just from the branding itself and the fact it's a cool game and they're doing all sorts of things, I'm going to write this down. It's coming out, what was it, BMB, Bomb Token? Banger Games. BMB. Banger Games. Thank you for letting me onto that one, because this looks good. This looks good, Violet, Gypsy. Jam Nafu said, do you see sushi pumping? I want to look at more of this first, but I'll look at sushi. Earn from mining, coming soon. So a lot of this is already active. These smart tournaments are already going. Profit from your PC and earn while you're AFK. Use your CPU, GPU power to mine bombs and score tournament entries, NFTs, products, and much more within the Banger Games ecosystem. Turn your gaming equipment into an investment. Gaming rigs got powerful GPUs inside them. People can use that. When you're not using your computer, it could be mining. That's great. I like that. It could be serving the game. Challenge and create NFTs. Gain ownership over your digital assets and grow their value over time. Create, win, challenge, and sell your NFTs. Challenge your NFTs. So I challenge your NFT to a fight, winner takes all. That's cool. If that's the way it is. Join the Bomb Coins, the global gaming currency. Help us unite the fragmented gaming industry. It sure is fragmented when it comes to blockchain gaming. Banger Games aims to create a global solution for gaming currencies and marketplaces to grow the industry. Blockbuster games across PC. They're just showing us games that people already play. Earn money playing Counter-Strike? How much is each BNB? I guess the token hasn't been minted yet. Because people are already earning it. Are they earning future, like just a number for now, and then they're going to get airdropped that amount? Rick Dorsey said, at Jam Nafu, I hope so. I've been holding sushi. I'm waiting. Yo, you guys see this, though? This is pretty legit. If you play any of these games, you can install Banger Games and start earning coins. And they got games coming. NFT marketplace coming soon. Tournaments. This is what I want to see. Tournament ended. They all ended. But they all happened. Let's see. There's some in-game graphic. Holding a knife. That's pretty crisp and clear. That's an in-game graphic. Some sort of dumpy warehouse with nuclear waste around. There's guns all over the floor here with some crates. Same thing. Type player-based game. Counter-Strike. This was on June of 17th. That's 5 months ago since the last match. What are they doing? Prize pool was 0 BNB. Leaderboard. This guy. So I'm gonna sign up and just start earning this, because this seems like something good. BangerGames.com. The coin didn't come out yet. Was recommended to me by Violet Gypsy. Thank you, Violet Gypsy. Mind said I've got that game. Never played it. No time lately. This is a host of games that you any game you can play and earn. Any games on the list here: Counter-Strike, Fortnite, Valorant, League of Legends, Call of Duty, FIFA. But also, yeah, they got the game, the Banger Games, the tournaments. So let's sort by soonest, which was, I don't like that it was June. It's 5 months ago. But I love this. Look how many players are there. It was a tournament, so it was tournament style. So it was, 2 versus 2. The winners of all the 2 versus 2s all eventually get teamed up with each other, like deathmatch style. Till it's just shoot 'em up. Prizes. The win. Okay, there was no prizes for this. I guess it. I guess it was one that just didn't give out prizes. This prize pool was 20 BNB. Counter-Strike. Mine said Counter-Strike. Yeah, Counter-Strike. Was that on the list? Yeah, you get, I guess, and then if you install their shit, you can earn BNB when you're not using your gaming PC, because it will use your GPU to do shit on the blockchain for the game. Which is pretty dope. I like this a lot. I wrote it down. I'm going to write it down again bigger, because I got shit handwriting and I wrote it down quick. Banger Games. Just BangerGames.com. That's all I need to know. This shit is cool looking. Continue with Google. Nice. You could just hop right in. Hopped right in with Google. Welcome to Banger Games. Why did it do that? It does that. Why is it doing that? All right, I'm from Spain. And Euro. Only thing it's letting me get right is my name and my gender. So I'm from Spain, everybody. Didn't even know that. What's the chat saying? Mind said, that's cool that they're integrating already existing games into crypto. Yes, I like that they're doing that. That's awesome. And they're doing their own thing with the tournaments and NFT challenges. What is this? This looks awesome. I think the person that recommended it isn't even here anymore. What was her name? Gypsy? Violet Gypsy? His or her name? Thank you for that. For this one. Let me Mine said I've got 3 PCs mining Bitcoin right now. Smart. Might as well. It's always been a good idea throughout all of history. It's never not been a good idea to mine Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin. How would we use the PC to earn BNB? Is it the same as mining? It's just gonna use your CPU, GPU power. It's gonna do whatever it wants to do, needs to do. So it's gonna use your processing power. Yeah, you can mine a lot of different coins. Yeah, I would mine Monero. I would mine Monero mostly. And there's Ken mines some good coins. I would talk to him too. In the Crypto Lodge, t.me/the Crypto Lodge Telegram. Rick Dorsey said, I'm gonna do it with you guys. I will try minting this as well. Mining this as well. Yeah, I installed. It says I got a balance of 0 BNB. Wonder how I can change things. Let's look what the user thing looks like. Settings. There's a lot of players online, and you can have a GIF as your. You can have a GIF as your profile picture. That's cool. Name has already been taken. Oh, so that's stupid. My name is Crypto Lodge. But alright, so I can connect straight to my Steam. That's pretty awesome. I can connect it straight to my Steam account. You can connect it coming soon. You can connect it straight to PlayStation. Coming soon, you can connect it to Epic Games, Activision, Riot Games, Old School RuneScape, EA Sports, Origin, Xbox. Yo, we're bringing that's the ruckus. They're bringing the motherfucking ruckus. Yeah, mining Monero is a good idea, Mind. In my opinion. Everything I say is just my opinion. Everything I say is just opinion. Yeah, this thing is huge. The tournaments look sick. I don't know how to cause the last one was so long ago. Then the one before that was, they were all back in June. Yeah, all back in June. Maybe they just had this one beta testing window. They were doing something there. They're really working on some shit. I mean, here's the Banger Games white paper. I guess that's got all the answers. That's what white papers do. It's got a rig right there. Mine said, no one's gonna work anymore, just play games and earn crypto, lol. Well, hopefully we earn a little bit for our data and attention in the future. We're in the dark ages of the internet right now, where we give up freedom of all of our information to, we don't even need to, only one entity asks us for permission and they get to give it to everyone else. So systems are being put in place by crypto that allows the user to choose every single time. Do you want to, just like on your phone, like, do you want to let this app access your camera or your files? It'll always ask you, do you want okay, important notice. Banger Games informs that there are high risks associated with Banger Games. The execution of the project, the tokens, which are more concretely described below. The token holder assumes and fully understands all these risks, and the fact that these risks can lead to total loss of tokens or their value. In no case, if any of these risks materializes, Banger Games will compensate the token holder in any way. In no case will they compensate. That's a good. You gotta start like that, right? You always gotta start like that. If you tell anybody, I'll kill you. Online video games are a multi-billion-dollar industry. Blah, blah, blah. We know this. Metaverse is predicted to be $3 trillion by 2030. Yeah, more like 2026, buddy. The average gamer spends 16 hours a week. This doesn't have... I mean, it has a lot in it, but it didn't have a... Okay, here's contents. I want to see... tokenomics and token distribution. So page 15 and 32 and 20. The liaison of blockchain technology and gaming holds great promise for the growth of these industries. The liaison of blockchain technology and gaming holds great promise for the growth of these industries. Blockchain provides useful tools. What's the tokenomics? Extremely using Polygon. Why? It's not a good idea. Whatever, it'll work. It works. First phase, the token will be used as... Alright, here's the meat of BNB, Banger Games. The token will be used as a part of the reward system of the Banger Games platform. During this phase of the platform, the token will be used for smart tournament creation, entry, and rewards, rank system rewards, user transfers, stablecoin swaps, minting NFTs, blockchain collectibles, NFTs, NFT marketplace interactions, sponsorship, and media rights. Second phase. Every transaction on the platform will require the use of Banger Games tokens. During this phase, the token will be used for these options and the ones already working on in phase 1. Matchmaking rewards, publishing jackpots, challenge creation and competition, proof of stake, objective systems, user acquisition compensation, API rental fees. Third phase, global adoption, P2P cloud gaming and networks providing power for anybody on nearly any device to participate in the metaverse or gaming experience. During this phase, the token will be used for all the functionalities explained above and connecting and sharing P2P cloud resources and networks, player tokenization, crowdfunding, gaming equipment. Banger Games token will use bomb coins to establish a smart contract-based agreement between the parties, helping them to transact in Ethereum network using Banger Games token delegated transaction features. Users will either be able to pay fees for their transactions in bomb coins or in a stable asset they are used for the smart contract transaction. Bomb coins is a cryptocurrency issued by Banger Games, a utility ERC20 compatible token which is primarily used to drive all Banger Games services and create a decentralized economy for the entire gaming ecosystem. Bomb coins can be easily exchangeable into any other currency. The Banger Games token featuring the following uses some standard functionalities such as safe math or only owner to prevent integer overflow and some of the earliest ERC20 vulnerabilities. Okay. We want to know the investing meat here. What's the token, the distribution, max supply, circulating supply. Pausable. Can be paused. Okay, this needs to be highlighted, folks, ladies, gentlemen. Banger Games pausable ERC20 token can be paused to prevent any non-desired transfers. Using this feature, we could prevent some hacking attacks and gives a better control if any malicious transaction occurs. So this is basically saying we could take your tokens at any time. Transaction fees. As the transaction fees will be paid in tokens directly to Banger Games, a burning function will be added to the token. Coin burning is the process of permanently removing coins, blah, blah, blah. Well, not blah, blah, blah. Some of you guys watching might not know. Coin burning is the process of permanently removing coins from circulation forever, sending them to a death address where they can never come back from, reducing the total supply. By combining these measures, we will reduce the number of tokens under Banger Games management and achieve an increase in the price of the token for our platform users and holders. So they're going to burn their own tokens that they allocated for themselves, but they still haven't told us how many they allocated for themselves. So let's note that bomb coins will be mined using P2P compute and network sharing. So that's what mined. That is what the computer is going to be used for. Mining bomb coins with gaming PCs. Pretty dope. Banger Games token contract, an underlying program that defines how bomb tokens are transferred, has been thoroughly audited by nonce audits. I've never heard of nonce audits. Nonce. That sounds like it The audit confirmed that the Banger Games token contained no security issues. Okay. All bomb tokens will be fairly distributed between Banger Games stakeholders. Review token distribution section. Yeah. Why none of this is clickable on purpose? The issue to be issued is fixed. No more tokens than 1 billion can be ever issued, which will be guaranteed by the Banger Games token smart contract. So it's going to be more like Bitcoin, where they get mined and there's an inflation. So there will never be more than 1 billion. Investment activities. Tokenized gamers and esports team investments. Rental of reward and tournament operation APIs. Oh, cool. Programmers can make APIs and get paid. Paid to code. Gaming shit. Rental of server power through P2P networks. Rental of CPU, GPU power through P2P cloud. Downloading their software on your computer. Publisher crowdfunding. Users can participate in or create competitive events. Cool. Shit. So they can do in like all sorts of games. Challenge other players for NFTs or tokens. Hey, I bet I can kill you in Counter-Strike for your NFT. For your gun that in the game. I bet you I can murk you in Counter-Strike for a cool sword in another game. So that's cool. Complete in-game or platform objectives to enhance skill levels. Alright, let's get to distribution. Prize pool 70%. Creator publisher rewards and staking 25%. Banger Games maintenance 5%. That's not distribution of tokens. Building an application that relies on a blockchain has a few challenges, such as compiling and creating the codes, on top of security problems that could arise if the code is not written correctly. Our goal is to onboard as many third-party developers and gaming houses as possible. This is why we are creating an easy-to-use SDK, which is a software development kit, and API. Allows developers to save a lot of time and server costs by using our own systems. To do this, we will provide access using REST API, webhooks, and WebSockets. Cool. Using our SDK and APIs, they could interact and integrate our smart tournaments, objective systems, and NFTs easily into their platform in their programming language, saving a lot of time, allowing them to customize their competitive and objective experiences specific to their games and users. Publishers will create new monetization streams and benefits by user acquisition rewards through API registrations, data, user onboarding, get paid for user onboarding, sale of NFTs on our marketplace, tournament commissions, token and coin launchpad, increased monetization and revenue capabilities, improved KPIs surrounding user retention and acquisition, enhanced user data experience and feedback systems, wider reach when including NFT and token sales on BG market cap exchange. Token distribution. %33% save for safety. Alright, let's read this. Every transaction on the Banger Games platform will require the use of Banger Games tokens. The token application is fully supported by the blockchain technology and can be used for payments of all smart tournaments obligations as well as paid platform features. The developer of Bomb Coins, the development of Bomb Coins has a roadmap designed to ensure a safe and healthy distribution of value for the entire ecosystem. The strategy behind the Bomb Coins is based on the achievement of objectives by the different stakeholders that make up our ecosystem. This plan is designed to allow the growth of all of them while maintaining the right proportions. Also, Bomb Coins will be easily exchangeable into any other gaming currency. Banger Games tokens distribution during the first phase will be distributed as follows. Total amount 670 million. First stage. With 330 million saved for safety. So 670 million minus 330 million. So like half. Like half. Well, that's less than half. Here we go. Wow, it's going a lot of places. This is in detail. I like that it's in detail. Community and mining 33%, ecosystem 15%, team 13%, growth and foundational reserve 10%, private sale 8%, partnership and advisors 6%. %13% to teams, whatever. Seed 3%, public sale 3%, equity partners 2%, early supporters 2%, airdrops and staking rewards 2%, liquidity DEX market makers 2%. You should have more for liquidity. Cybersecurity and audits 1%. You should have more for that too. Okay. Pre-sale. Funds will be used to bring in highly talented professionals. Okay. Providing a safe and law-abiding system, ensure the safety of all users. Okay, so that's that. Let's look at the roadmap here. We are so the public sale happened already? The Moon Boys said, "Can we check out the caboose?" Oh, he said that 10 minutes ago. Cabosu. Sounds like you just came here to shill that, so sorry. Hope it's lit up. It says it happened, right? I don't know. They don't have any date there. Partnerships. Microsoft, IBM, Chainlink, Theta. Whatever that is. Polygon, IBM. That's big. Microsoft, IBM, Adidas, and Theta. I like that they're with Theta. Hey, Violet Gypsy. Thank you for this tip on this one. Public sale in March 2022. Private sale January 2021. So that happened. So it'll open up to the public in March. I like it. Like it a lot. Thank you. Somebody said something was pumping. I know everybody was hype about Atari pumping, but I was adamant that it'll go right back down. It's up 43% on the day. It's 17 cents. Still going up. Cool. Wow, it dropped all the way back down to 10 cents midday. Atari's something that did really bad things. Let's move on from that. That's ARK. That was ARK. We looked at ARK. Price is going up. Private sale Jan 2022. Okay. Great. So that's very soon. But it's probably something a schmuck like me can't get into. I don't have that money. ARK is up 52% in 7 days. They've been around since like 2016. And they're still updating their GitHub. It's pretty good. I guess Dot's been pumping today. Hell yeah. Dot's been putting in some good gains. I wonder if Luna has Luna's usually the first. It was the first to make all-time high a lot. So 414% in 106 days. It's like a 4% gain every single day. Can't ask for anything better than that. See where Luna's at. Nice. So yeah, all-time high, new all-time high. Luna is the one. Luna's the one. 1,212% in 164 days. Ooh, it looks like it hasn't even gotten ready to spike up yet. Here it's spiked up. Let's say it does. Let's say it does. gonna be some lovely gains. If history rhymes, it'll be about a 500% gain in a month. And we'd be looking at a $270 Luna. And that wouldn't surprise me. That wouldn't surprise me. That doesn't even look weird on the chart. Lobbin Luna. Fantom. That's the buy. I don't know how much lower it can even go. How bullish it is. So that's the high, that's the buy, that's the hold, that's the play. Fantom. And the Fantom altcoins. Let's look at some gains on Fantom altcoins. T-share. That's up 838% in 15 days. Let's see, it's down a little there. 809% in 15 days in 8 hours. T-share. It's up more than that. If you go back, ridiculous gains. That's 58,000% in 57 days. And it just keeps going straight up. T-share is part of Tomb.finance. I have a video about it if you want to look for it. You switch to Opera. Fantom Opera Network. Connect. In the masonry, T-share staked. Already earned 10 Tomb. My APR it fluctuates. Sometimes it's over 1,000. Right now it's 509%. I can claim my Tomb whenever I want. And then you take the Tomb and the Fantom, come over to the cemetery, put it in here. And you earn 390 APR. Daily APR 1%. You earn T-shares, which goes up, which both go up like crazy. Look at Tomb too. It's on a dip, but it's still up 709% in 37 days. So both Tomb and T-share are booming. They're booming. They're the best DeFi. It's the best DeFi on Fantom. And in the masonry, you can stake your T-share and earn Tomb. Claim it. And if you want to compound it, go to the cemetery, put your T-share and Fantom in, or T-share and Tomb in, which is 505, same as this, I think. 390. No, you earn 505. So if you deposit T-share and Fantom liquidity pool, and then you got all below pools have ended. Okay. Please unstake and collect your rewards. Okay. So yeah, you earn coins. This is just compounding and earning while the underlying assets are going up hundreds of %. Yeah, Tom's good. Let's see what Spirit's doing. Spirit swap. It's on an uptrend, but really great dip, if you ask me. I think Boo's doing something the same thing. That's Spooky Swap. That's more on a clean uptrend, but still on a nice dip. Probably because Fantom's on a nice dip. But that is this was still a measured 82% gain in 80 days still, and it's on a nice dip. I think the best gains were Fantom Shiba, and Fantom Shiba's on a really nice dip right now. If you look at this, that's a nice dip. You might call that the end, but I always take 25% profit off the peaks. At the top here, it was up 1,630% in 10 days, and it's still up 700% in 12 days. So you can call that a pullback. I call it a buy spot. I bought more right here. You only have to put $10 into this kind of thing, and it could turn into a whole lot of money. Not financial advice. I have a video about Fantom Shiba if you wanna watch it. Yes, so this is earning a lot. I'm compounding my interest. I'm holding and earning 2 tokens that are going up a whole lot here on Tomb.finance. Geist. Geist is on a buy, in my opinion. It's a baby project. It just launched October 6th. So, not even a month ago. I bought it. If you go to Geist.finance, you can click on Manage Geist. You can stake Geist for 111% APR, or you can lock up your Geist for 877% APR. Lock it up for 3 months. That's what I chose to do, and so far I've locked up 38. I earned quite a bit already. I claim my rewards all the time, like every day. Every day it's like $15 in all these different coins I earn for staking, and that's just extra tokens. But the you get a bunch of Geist. You get 870. You get the withdrawal 877% APR more Geist in 3 months than you did when you locked it up. So instead of buying it, I did that. I bought it too. Well, no, I'm not actually holding any. I locked all of it up. And I'm probably gonna lock more up because it's gonna go up. It's a great protocol, in my opinion, in my financial opinion, not financial advice. But staking for 111% is not bad either. But Tomb.finance is where the real money is happening right now. T-share has been exploding. Tomb's been exploding. Nothing but net. Just nothing but net. It's unstoppable. If the bottom falls out of this, I'd be very surprised. Tomb Finance is doing the damn thing. I'm getting pretty damn tired. I've been tired. Let's hold or win. Sometimes I like to look at just random wallets of people who put like large amount of purchases or like $1 million sells on these little coins, and like to see what else they're buying. It's like stuff that's down real low. Hold or win. It's only got a Fantom pair. It's on Spirit Swap, and it is up. $7,427%. All right. Well, I'm going to call it a stream. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's look at Ethereum one last time. Solana's thumping. Probably going to hit $800 by maybe the end of the year, or by like big February if we have a pullback in December. Or in November. So here's Bitcoin. Just letting ETH move. All right. Still in a buy. Signal. It's on a nice long uptrend. Ethereum is what all the institutions and everybody want. 2.0 is coming a lot quicker than a lot of people realize. So if I want to front run the institutions, because they're the ones that usually front run us. So it's about time we front run them. And Ethereum's going to be $100,000 one day, and stronger and more. Ethereum's the kind of token I put in my long-term wallet, not the kind of coin I trade and play, buy and sell. I hold Ethereum forever, and it's always going to make the best move in Q1. Ethereum always makes its best move in Q1. Every Q1 since Ethereum was invented. It has happened as early as December, mid-December. Could happen earlier this year because of the ETF, maybe some regulatory clarity, maybe some XRP finality to that lawsuit. Who knows? But I like how we wicked back down to this previous we made this new all-time high, and we wicked back down. I was live streaming this night, and I said, "This is nice and all, but I wanna come back down and touch the previous resistance, turn it into support." And I woke up the next morning, and there's just a wick touching it. So that's pretty cool. It bounced off the prior all-time high. Jam said, "Do you see a pullback this month?" Yeah, we've gone up. I see both happening. I can't call it. The interest is up, development is up, more companies are in than ever, but whales take the profit when whales want to take their profit. People get shaken out when they want to shake people out. I don't know. Everything's so timely. October 1st on the dot, we started pumping again. Like, it's crazy. So, yeah, I can see a pullback. But that wouldn't phase me. I really don't care about the short-term prices. I really don't. It's nice that Ethereum's been going up and showing strength, and that the whole crypto market is showing strength, and that a lot of development is being done on games, pay-to-play games, play-to-earn, games. All sorts of DeFi protocols that let the little guy earn some real money for once. And crypto gives us a chance to front run the institutions once. They've been doing that to us forever. They've been front running us forever. So I'm showing my Ethereum the respect that it deserves. 2.0 is coming soon enough. But what I think is really nice right now is the Fantom chart. It's just saying, hey, buy me. Buy me. Just like it said here. Just like it said this whole time. Just like it said here. And even right here. Just buy me. Especially right here. How low do you think it's gonna go? The dips have gotten smaller. That's the largest dip. The rest have been quite small. That's quite large compared to the other 3 here. 4 here. So Fantom did outstanding. It's 1,648% in 107 days. Is that like 100% a day for 100 days? No. 10% a day for 100 days. Beautiful gains. And Fantom has this clear line. Nice clean trend line, and we're touching it right now. Touching it right now. Almost there. So Fantom's gonna fly. We're gonna see a ridiculous, I believe history doesn't repeat itself, but it rhymes. So Fantom just does what it did again. Let's underestimate a lot and cut off that whole portion of it. We're looking at, let's not underestimate crypto. Why would we do that? Let's put it where it belongs, right there. And that's probably taking us to the number 7 spot where where Fantom's supposed to be in market cap. It'll probably, because it needs to run up faster than the other cryptos. So it'll be up to about $56 in 99 days. $31 in 51 days. How about that? December 30, by the end of the year, 31 bucks, and sitting at $2 right now. What's in your wallet? Really? What's in your wallet? Let's take a peek at Ethereum. Looking good. Jam Nafu said, "Can you make a video of best shit coins to buy?" LOL. I could do a top 5 shit coins. I don't know though, cause I wouldn't want to call them shit coins because I don't buy low cap coins that I don't think are actually good. I actually think Fantom Shiba is a good project. I actually think Eternal is a good project. TTK is a good project. T-Share, Tomb, Boo, Spirit, Spell, Luna, Ethereum, Fantom. I honestly think these are all good projects. So I don't think I can make a top. I've been meaning to make a top 5 low cap gems. Violet Gypsy said, I have to research your Fantom video, LOL. Yeah, I have a it just tells you how to send your coins to your MetaMask on the Ethereum mainnet, then go to any swap and use the bridge. Well, send your Fantom and some Ethereum to pay the gas fees to the Ethereum mainnet on MetaMask from Coinbase, because you can't use Binance in the United States, and none of the exchanges in the United States support withdrawals on the Fantom mainnet yet. It sucks. I think Fantom's getting Coinbase very soon. Hitron said, top 5 low cap gems, yes sir. Violet Gypsy says, I only have ETH and a bit of Bitcoin, holding both. That's the way to do it if you're thinking long term, like lowering risk. Bitcoin and Ethereum. In 3 years, we're gonna look back at these prices, and they're gonna look tiny. $4,500 Ethereum's gonna look like a $4 Ethereum. Ethereum was once $4. It was $84 in May 2020. I don't know about Baby Harmony, Jim. I know it's nice to earn, but I don't exactly. I like Harmony. I like earning the 1 token, but I think there's better ways to earn it. I don't think the APY, APR, whatever you're earning, 2% of transaction fees sends you Harmony 1 to your wallet. I barely got any Harmony 1s. I haven't even gotten a whole one sent to me yet. And it's not even an expensive coin. So I haven't let go of Baby Harmony, but the price has been going down, and I'm not getting any baby. I'm not getting any much Harmony 1. I got like 0.15 Harmony 1. Violet Gypsy, if you can use Binance, then that supports Fantom mainnet withdrawals. So all you got to do is go to Google or the search bar up here. You can go and type in Fantom MetaMask RPC, and of course install the MetaMask from the Chrome apps, the Chrome web store. You click on that top link there, and you go up here. Let's go to my other browser. You go up here, you click on where it says the chain, Fantom Opera. It'll say Ethereum for you probably. And you go all the way down to the bottom and hit custom RPC. It's going to ask you to put in these 5 fields. And you just copy and paste these 5 fields. Fantom Opera, rpc.fantom.tools 250, FTM, and ftmscan.com. And then add it, and then the Fantom Opera network is added. That's what it should look like. And the same address on Fantom across all the chains here, you always have the same address. So just click there and it copies to your clipboard. So send Fantom to here, and it'll go to your Fantom mainnet. If you click Fantom mainnet withdrawal in Binance, it gives you the option. So what did I think T-Share did better than Shiba Fantom? I'm not sure though. Let's check. Let's just go back to October 1st. So now that's 1,387% gains for T-Share in 33 days. So 13, let's just say 1,400. Let's go to October 1st. Oh yeah, Shiba Fantom for sure. It's no. Well, it did at the top. That's for sure. 5,000, almost 6,000 in 31 days. But yeah, T-Share did better, and it's a much. I have much more faith in this project than I do in most any other projects. And any swap, I accumulate any swap anytime I possibly can. Is this a price drop? What's going on here? says it dropped 100%. Nah. It's $1. Any swap is a gem. A super gem. Look at that huge wick up. If I could, if you had a auto sell. Oh, that was only 0.92. I'm looking at USDT. Why? I think I need to look at it on here, but it's broken. Any swap is broken right now. $12. Okay. Well, it's on the uptrend. It's got a lot of huge wicks up, but that's probably not much of a percentage. Shit, 509% up. If you trade these any against WETH, it spikes up and down a lot. You can make some crazy trades with this. Liam Jam said, can you look up baby cake before you leave? Mind said maybe I should sell some of my lower performing coins to buy Fantom. Maybe. Hitron said, hey Lodge, have you ever thought about doing weekly portfolio updates? No, not really. I don't. I just honestly I can't. I don't have the I don't have the act. I can't show it on the screen like that. I mean, I could tell you what I'm holding, I guess, but that would be. I mean, kind of just following my channel is kind of just following what I'm buying and what my attitude is on every coin. When I support a coin and then I don't anymore, I let you know. I used to support Atari, now I don't. Jam said Fantom is the truth. Can you check baby cake once you get a chance? Yes. Hitron said I'd be interested for sure. Liam Wright, I need to get into Fantom more. ETH gas fees are wrecking me. Every gas fee on Fantom is under a cent. I'll just go ahead and sell. What was that? Just a tiny bit. Hold on, let me turn my slippage down. Back to normal. Confirm. That was 2 cents. That was much higher than usual. And the transaction's finished already. Oh no, it's not. That line. Boom. Done. Added to my Fantom. That's how fast it is, and that's how cheap it is to make swaps on Fantom. It feels like Ethereum, but it's just faster, better, smoother. And what's cool is that even though Fantom's been going down, T-Share and Tomb and the gems been going up. Liam Wright, thanks for putting this on live stream. LOL. You're welcome. Thanks for coming. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe to help me out. If you want to see my videos when I post them, hit the bell and then click all. That's how you know when I'm going live as well. Mind said some miners were saying that ETH 2.0 is getting pushed back further into next year. That would make it other faster, cheaper projects go up even more, in my opinion. 2.0 is not getting pushed back. It's a developer takeover. It's a hostile takeover. The miners don't want it, but the developers are doing it anyway. They're going to call it a lot of different things, but make no mistake about it, it's a hard fork. And they're taking the ticker symbol with it. Just like it did with Ethereum Classic. Ethereum Classic used to just be called ETH, Ethereum. But then there was the whole bailout situation. And the people that didn't agree with that stuck. While the main developers of Ethereum forked off and took the ticker symbol Ethereum with it. And then the original Ethereum has to call itself ETH Classic now. So that's how that works. Hitron said, am I ending stream? I think you guys can tell I'm tired. I'm fucking tired. Yeah, I got a little chest cold. I just want to lay on my bed and watch some Netflix right now. Hopefully there's some new comedy specials or something. But join, if you got Telegram, go to t.me/thecryptolodge. I'll type it in here. It's my channel. It's just a cool group of guys and gals. Liam Wright said, have a good evening. Thanks for the insights. Hitron, peace, brother. No problem, guys. Ethereum looks good. The market's looking good, but it's always when the market's looking really good that we have that pullback, that big pullback. But they're not even big. Even if we get a 20% correction on Bitcoin and everything goes down a little bit, just ride it out. Diamond hands, baby. Brick Dorsey probably said, probably not worth the look, but I had a dream about Smilecoin. Woke up and looked into it. It's on the Algorand network. Let me know your thoughts another day. Get some rest. Smilecoin. Is it on Coin Market Cap? Must be. Smile. Introducing Smilecoin Network. Smilecoin is a powerful crypto technology that seamlessly allows users to interact with prediction and gaming platforms with a single currency. Unlock crypto prediction markets. Use Smile to earn cash, harvest coins, and get exclusive rewards by predicting crypto markets. Will ADA or Shiba perform better by noon? Shiba. And I guess you can bet money. You can bet Smile. that that's gonna happen. Harvest Smile Coin on Grin, a featured Smile Coin network app. Harvest coins and earn rewards by predicting crypto, stocks, esports, and more. Powering the first ever personal gaming ledger. I think people will love this kind of thing. Anything into gambling, I'm pretty bullish on, honestly. This is gaming. A Smile wallet allows users to connect to gaming platforms in order to manage, analyze, and optimize gaming profits. Currency that funds fun. It's got a market cap of 63 million. That is nice. It's only on MEXC. How are you supposed to get it if it's only on MEXC? Go to the Telegram and ask somebody to send you something for money. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a stream, guys. Thanks for watching. Always appreciate when people come out. I can barely tell you what 2 plus 2 is right now, so I'm no use to anybody. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Probably launch a video in the morning and start going live at some point. Wish everybody the best of luck. Take profits when the markets are hot. The market's hot. Hint, hint. And don't sell when buy more when it goes down. In my opinion, I'm talking to myself. When I'm doing these videos, I'm talking to myself. It's my opinion, not financial advice. Buy more when it goes down. I take 25% up off the top when I think it's around a peak and when the market's hot, and I just hold that in a stable coin so that you can buy the dip. Because if you're all in, you can't buy the dip. Good night, everybody. I'll see you tomorrow.